Hello, Chef here. Just getting ready to toss a little salad together. I thought I'd share a few tips with you here. There's quite a few things to learn, even if you're a great cook, a good cook, an average cook, like how to make a salad. It should be so simple. Anyone at Cook 1 level should be able to make a great salad. First, select the best greens. Look at this baby romaine. This one comes from Salinas, California. Yeah, probably the best in the world. Thank you, farmers. First thing you're going to do is select a really high quality knife. Not the garbage mass-produced in many countries, you know what I'm talking about. Not that stuff, no. Handmade, layered from Japan. It's better. It cuts better. I'm going to show you why. Let's do a perfect cut. First I'm going to remove the bottom, just like that. Okay, discard that. Let's do a perfect cut right down the middle here. So easy. So nice. Look at that lettuce. A little bit of brown there. That's okay. We can remove that. So we want to use the whole head of lettuce. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. This part here is not good for the salad. All the rest of it is. So you want to just remove the core like that. And after you remove the core, you can carefully dissect it, you know, and remove the little bit of brown stuff there. No big deal. A little bit. So we just want to get that brown out of there. Good to go. Okay. Get all that off the board. Yeah. Now, you cut your half heads of romaine face down and cut them into uniform slices like this so you have a nice bite, a nice chunk. Not too big, not too small. See this? This is a consistent cut of romaine. Now, why can't you get this in a restaurant? It's simple. Skilled labor, the best knives, the best cutting boards, all are required for something as simple as a salad. Yes. Once again, consistency. Perfect. Moving along. Salad now goes into a stainless steel mixing bowl and you cover it with cold water. Let it chill. I'll be back. Edible art. Moving along, we have an ideal tomato. This is a pretty nice one. You can see it was actually grown with a little bit of sunshine. It's got some cracks in it. It's perfectly ripe. It's soft to the touch. The secret with tomatoes, if you don't grow them yourself and you buy them, the secret is you buy them and you let them ripen. Minimum of a few days. Okay, always wash your tomatoes, remove the core. You can give it a little rub down too. Make sure it's good to go. And now, we're going to use the same Japanese knife. I want to show you how easy it is. Perfect sliced tomato. Now, for a salad, I like wedges. And to go one more level, you can make a supreme. I'm going to do it on some of these. I'll show you which ones. This one, and this one. These I'll leave like this. These three I'm going to do a supreme. It's where you carefully remove the seeds and you can save them for a stock or a sauce, nice marinara sauce or something like that, okay? But this is another level for a salad right here. This is a tomato supreme. It's quite popular and common in French and European cooking, so the supreme is a little bit fancier. You can even go a little more and you can decorate each supreme if you want to with a quick cut like this. You're only going to do this with a razor sharp knife. Okay? A little tomato garnish for you right there. So what looks better? This one? What looks better? This one here, this tomato, or this tomato? It's got to be good. Follow along. Clean as you go. Keep that cutting board clean and dry. Okay, if you add onion to your salad, this is a sweet Vidalia. Highly recommend these. You want to go nice and thin. That's where you need a sharp knife. I can go so thin you can see through this thing. Look at that. That's an ideal onion for a salad right there. I just like a little bit of onion in the salad. I'll do one more slice. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. So the salad now is tossed with a vinaigrette. I've got the lettuce as the base. I've got some artichoke hearts, tomato, onion, carrot, all kinds of good stuff in there. And then to garnish this, we're going to put hard-boiled egg and one of these tomato points like this on both sides. Another thing that belongs on a salad, usually, if you like it, black olives and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Try out this recipe. Of course, you can do a variation. Salad a day keeps the doctor away. I think it was Bon Appetit, Better Homes and Garden. They said, wow, best pepper mill you can buy because the quality is there. Watch my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, these babies are in stock. It's gonna be good. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain. Love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the Butcher Blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. So the salad now is tossed with a vinaigrette. I've got the lettuce as the base. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. And grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. Search the channel. Just put in chicken recipes, barbecue sauce, all kinds of different chicken dishes going on. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.